So guys, for the first method, if you're using a VPN, you just want to turn that off. Now for the second method, you want to click on the three dots in the top right, and then click on extensions, and then click on manage extensions. If you have any extensions here that you think may be causing a problem, you either want to disable it or remove it. And now for the next method, you want to click on the three dots in the top right, and then click on history, and then click on history again. Now you want to select delete browsing data. You want to set the time range to all time. Make sure you have cookies and other site data and cache images and files both selected, and then click on delete data. And then after you do that, you want to go to the Disney website. Now in the top right here on the search bar, you want to click on this right next to it. Select cookies and site data, manage on-device site data, delete everything that comes up here. And then click on done, and then click on this again, site settings, delete data, and then click on delete again. Now you just want to close out your web browser, open it back up again, see if that works for you. If that's still not working for the next method, you want to head over to search and type in Microsoft Store. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to search for Disney. You now want to use the application instead. So click on get, download it, sign into your account, and then this should now work for you.